In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Metabase to CSV. By the end, you'll know exactly how to locate your data in Metabase and download it in a clean, portable format you can open in Excel, Google Sheets, or any data tool that supports CSV. Start by opening your browser and searching for Metabase. If your organization has a specific Metabase address, use that so you land on the correct workspace. When the search results appear, click the first relevant link to open Metabase. On the Metabase homepage, click Login. Sign in with your usual credentials or single sign-on if your company uses it. If you don't see your dashboards after logging in, make sure you're in the right collection or workspace and that you have access to the content you need. Next, open the specific dashboard you'll be working with. If you're not already on it, navigate to the dashboard that contains the data you want to export. Take a moment to apply any filters at the top of the dashboard, like date ranges, segments, or regions. The filters you set here will affect the data that gets exported from the card you choose, so confirm they match what you need. Hover your mouse over the exact card you want to download. This could be a chart or a table. Remember, Metabase exports data from the single card you select, not the entire dashboard at once. If you want the raw records behind a visual, choose the card that represents those rows or a table that already displays them. When you hover over the card, look for the three-dot menu in the corner. Click that menu to reveal more actions. From the options, select Download Results. Depending on your setup, Metabase may show additional choices like formatted or unformatted data, or a preview of how many rows will be included. Pick the option that best matches how you plan to use the file. Now choose CSV as your format. CSV, or comma-separated values, is a lightweight file type that works across spreadsheets, databases, and analytics tools. It's ideal for sharing, archiving, or doing quick analysis. After you select CSV, confirm any prompts and wait for the download to start. For large datasets, it may take a moment. Your file will save to your browser's default download folder. Open the CSV to verify the columns, filters, and date ranges are correct. If something looks off, return to the dashboard, adjust filters, and repeat the download. If you don't see the download option, you may need additional permissions. Reach out to your admin. And that's it. You've exported your Metabase data to CSV.